If you've ever done any work on an exhaust system or welding up a tubular frame, one of the most common cuts you have to make is a notch. They call it a saddle. Whatever it is, so you can weld these two pieces of pipe together. If they're like this, it's impossible to catch that weld where you need it. With the Bad Dog Biter, you can notch that pipe just that easily. And now that fits right on there. Notch the other side. And now you can make that weld. Again, if you make a mistake doing this, it's nice to have a notcher that you can just trim. If you want to take off a little bit more, you can take off a little bit more until it fits properly.